Have you ever noticed how small actions can change everything? Sometimes it's not the big moments that truly matter. It's the quiet help, the silent support, the simple kindness. We often think change must be big to be real. But making life easier for others starts with paying attention. Look closely. Someone near you might be silently struggling right now. They won't always ask for help. Most people never do. But your small effort could ease their heavy emotional load. Start with kindness. Not random, intentional, thoughtful, daily kindness. Hold the door. Let someone speak without rushing them through. Smile without expecting anything. That energy travels farther than you know. Sometimes, being kind means simply staying calm when others can't. Being a safe, steady presence can be deeply comforting. Not everyone needs advice. Sometimes they just need understanding ears. Listening well is one of the rarest gifts today. So be the person who listens more than speaks.
Next, remove stress where you can. Be mindful and fair. Show up on time. Keep promises. Respect other people's energy. When you manage your mood, others feel more at ease. Your calm becomes a space where others can breathe freely. That's emotional generosity, offering people comfort instead of more pressure. You don't need perfection. You just need a little patience. Mistakes happen. Own them. Say sorry. Let it go quickly. Mature people make life easier just by being emotionally aware. Then offer encouragement, a kind word, a compliment, a nudge. People are tired. Many feel invisible, even when they smile. Telling someone, "I see your effort," can change their day. Your words might be the reason someone keeps going. You may forget what you said, but they won't forget. Encouragement is free, but often worth more than we know. So here's the real question to ask yourself today. What's one habit you can build that lifts others up? If life already feels heavy, can you help carry some?